Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. You are studying seriously or not? You should study seriously, okay? And you are practicing. You should practice maths every day. Clear? And other subject you should whatever you are getting that one you should finish it. And after that you should send to the teachers. Clear? And today I want to discuss the factorization exercise problem 17b. Exercises 17b already theory part, example part, and 17a already finished. Okay, so now we'll discuss what exercise 17b. Before going to start, I'm telling that you should get ready at first with the copies. Clear? And another important thing, you students are sending their homework, but other students are not sending their homework. Why? What is the reason? Say, you have any problem? Or why you are not sending? Please, I am requesting to you that you should do your homework. You are getting homework, you are getting videos also, so that's why you should do your work properly. Okay, and you should send to the teachers, and even in doubt any problem you can ask the teachers. Clear? Teachers are waiting for you only. Understand or not? Clear? Okay, now let's start exercise 17b. First question is telling that at first you should try also. Okay, 5xy plus 20x minus 9y minus 36. This is the question. First question, 5xy plus 20x minus 9y minus 36. Okay, this is the question. Clear? At first you should try it at first. After that you will see the solution. Clear? At first try it. Otherwise I will explain it. Okay. Okay, now see here how many terms? 4 terms. Clear? We will take common from 2 terms. Okay, 2 2 2 2. Clear? From first 2 terms, here last 2 terms. See why we will take from first 2 term, because see here 5 and 20 common is there. Common is there or not? Because numerical coefficient here 5, here 20, so we can take it common from 5 and 20. And after that x also common, and here also from second term also x also common, so that's why we will take common from the first 2 terms, and last 2 terms also we will take. Concept clear? Now we will take common. So 5 common and x common. Clear? Understood or not? So after common we are getting what? Here y plus. Here from 20 we have taken what? 5. That means 4 will come, because 5 4 is 20. Clear or not? Clear? And x already taken. That's why here this one. Y plus 4. Okay? Next. Minus 9y minus 36. Minus 9y minus 36. So we will take common. What will take common? See, minus is common is there. Clear or not? Minus common will be there. So that's why I'm writing here minus. After that 9 is there. 9 common, because 9 here 36 also divisible by 9. So that's why 9 common. Clear or not? Clear? So minus 9 common. Understood? Okay. So after common we are getting what? Here y. So we should take it here y. Okay, and minus already taken, so that's why here will be what? Plus sign. Clear? Clear or not? So 9 for ja here 36. So concept clear? Now see, in this bracket, that common things are same things are is there in bracket, means common portion is there. Clear or not? So that's why y plus 4, that one common, keep it in separately. Okay, so the remaining portion what will come? The remaining portion will come from the first term 5x. Clear? Minus 9. So this is the question, means here answer. Okay, so y plus 4 into 5x minus 9. So this is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? Concept clear? Clear? Okay, you should try it also, and you should practice it, because without practice not possible anything. Clear? Okay, so next, see, next question number 2. At first try everyone. Question number 2 is telling that here 5ab minus 10b minus 7a plus 14. You should check the question also, because if any mistake is there, means that answer won't come like that. Clear? So wrong answer will come, so that's why I'm telling. Okay, 5ab minus 10b minus 7a plus 14. Okay, so now here how many terms? 4 terms, so we'll take common from 2 terms. Okay, clear or not? 2 2 2 2. Clear? So now see, first 2 terms will take common, because here 5, here 10, common will get or not? Will get. And b also common. See, here also b, here also b, so that's why. That means 5b will be common. Clear? Clear or not? 5b is there in the first term also, 5b is there, and here 10b means 5 also we can take it. Clear or not? B already we can take it, so that's why 5b is the common. Understood or not? Okay, so after common what will get here? Only a left. Okay, and here minus, put it here minus. Okay, now see, here 5 to the 10, so that's why here 2. 5 2 10, so that's why here 2. And b already taken, that means this one finished. Okay, first 2 terms already finished. Now the last 2 terms will take common from last 2 terms. So what is the common? See, minus 7 will take the common, because see, minus is here, so that's why minus will take common. And after that here 7 and here 14, this 2, the numerical coefficient divisible by 7, so that's why. Okay, so minus 7 is the common. Clear? So if we take the common minus 7, what will come? Here a will come. Clear or not? A will come. Next, here plus, we have taken here minus, means minus will come, because I told you before, minus minus what? Plus, no? Plus means how many minus are there? 2 minus are there. 1 minus I have taken here, so another minus will come here. Clear? And from 14, 7 taken, so 2 will come. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so that's why here see, now after that you should check it, this in bracket portion, no, this one correct or not, the same thing is coming or not. If it is coming in same thing, okay, so that is correct, otherwise any mistake is there. Clear? Concept clear? Clear or not? Concept clear? Okay, so that's why now we'll take what? That common portion will take common, a minus 2. Okay, so what is the remaining portion? The remaining portion what? 5b. 5b. Okay, here minus 7. Clear or not? So a minus 2 into 5b minus 7, this is the answer. Easy or hard? Very easy. Clear? Very easy or not? Easy, but your concept should be clear. Clear? I hope you understood this type of problem. You can do it alone. You should try it. Okay, you should practice it. Clear? Next question too. Next question. Next question, you read at first the question, read the question, and after that you should try it. Okay, what is the given question? See, check it once. Question number 3 is telling that 9xy plus 7y minus 9y square minus 7x. 9xy plus 7y minus 9y square minus 7x. So this one you try it. I won't say at first. At first you will try it. You are trying or not? You should try it. Okay. See, from first 2 terms, any common portion is there or not? At first check it once. Any common portion is there or not? 9 7, no common. X, here x, here x, but in second term no x. Here first term y, second term y is common portion is there. Okay, that's why I will take common. From where? From first 2 terms. From first 2 terms, and here from last 2 terms. But at first see, before taking common, no, at first you should see what third and fourth terms see any common portion is there or not. Check it once before taking that common from first two terms. See, third term and fourth term, no common portion, no common portion. Any common portion is there? Only minus is common. Otherwise no common, because here 9, here 7, no common. Here y square, here x, no common. So that's why we won't take. Means here first two terms and last two terms we won't take. Clear? Problem is there. Clear or not? Because we are not getting any common portion, no. Because from first two terms we got the common portion, but last two terms, second thing, from the last two terms we are not getting any common portion. Only minus is there. So that's why little bit will arrange it. How will arrange it? This one, see, first term 9xy, no, or third term minus 9y square, no. Clear or not? Because 9 is here, y also is here in first term, third term also y also is there, y square is there. Clear? That means we can take common y. Clear or not? 9 also we can take common, y also we can take common. And second and fourth, see, 7 also common. 7 is coming or not? 7 common portion is coming. That means we can take it. That means we will take first and third. Always first and second not possible. Sometimes it is coming, but always not possible. You should think about it. Which one will take common? Total 4 terms are there. From 4 terms we will take the common. Clear? 2 any 2 So that's why at first you should arrange it. Okay, from where we will take the common, and that common portion will be the same. That common portion also will be the same. After common we are getting what? How many terms? 2 terms, no? 4 terms were there. 4 terms were there. So after common we are getting what? 2 terms. So from that 2 terms we should get what? That common portion, same common portion. Otherwise that mistake is there. Clear or not? Try to understand, everyone. Okay, now see. So at first we will arrange it this one, 9xy plus 7y. 9xy plus 7y. Sorry, just waiting. I am writing which one? I am writing third term. Clear? We should write third term. So 9xy minus 9y. Third term will write, means first and third will be together. Okay, and second and last 7y minus 7x, that one together. Here 9y square, no, 9y square. Okay, so first and third we are arranging, and second and last together. Clear? Concept clear? 9xy minus 9y square, and there 7y plus 7y minus 7x. Okay, now we will take the common. See, what will be the common? 9 will be the common, and y also will be the common. Clear or not? Clear? So after common we are getting what? Here x. Clear? Here x minus. Okay, 9y common, 9 already taken common. Here y square was there, we have taken only one time y. That means another one time will come. Clear or not? Clear or not? That means 9y into x minus y is coming. Okay, now the last two terms will take the common. Okay, these two terms. See, 7 is the common, so we will take what? Plus 7. We will take the plus 7. Clear? We will take what? Plus 7. So after common we are getting what? Here y, and here minus x. Up to this one clear? But see, in this bracket same thing is coming. No, same thing is not coming. Why? Because here little bit change, only sign change is there. Because here plus x minus y, but here is coming plus y minus x. So that's why little problem. Maximum things are okay, but only little problem. What? Only sign is the problem. So that's why we will take common sign. Clear? So now 9y into x minus y, that one keep it properly. Okay, from the second term, no, we will take common, we will take minus. Because here see, here x positive, no, y negative, but here x negative, y positive. So that's why we will take minus common. So minus and plus will be minus. Okay, that means minus 7 is coming. Clear or not? Why minus? Because plus and we are taking common minus from this bracket, so that's why. Okay, so that time what will come? X will be positive and y will be negative, sign will be changed. Clear? Minus will be plus and plus will be minus. So now see, the things are okay, same things are coming. Okay, now x minus y common portion, keep it separately, x minus y, and another thing is coming, what? 9y minus 7. So this is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? I have understood. Understood? So 1 2 3 finished. Now question number 4. Read the question and try it, everyone. Question number 4. Question number 4 is telling that 3ax 3ax minus 6ay minus 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx 3ax minus 6ay plus sorry minus 8by plus 4bx. Question clear? Clear? Question also you should check it, otherwise if any that is suppose sign mistake means that problem will arise, that answer will be wrong, answer will be there. Okay, clear or not? Now try it, everyone. You should try it. I will discuss later. You're trying or not? See, any common portion is there or not? From first two terms, any common portion is there or not? Yes, common portion is there 3 and there 6 means common portion is there 3 common, we can take it. A also common is there. Yes, A also common is there. Clear? And here also see last two terms. Yes, 8 here 4 common will be there. B common is there. Yes, we can take it. Yes, that means first two possible. Okay, and last two also possible. Okay, probability is there, possibility is there. Okay, so now we'll take it common. See, so we'll take what common? 3a common, because here 3 6, from 3 6 we'll take common 3, and a is there first term, second term also a is there. X here x, y not possible, so the remaining portion will come where? X, and here y. Clear? Clear or not? Next see, here minus 8by plus 4bx. So what will be the common? Minus common, and 4 is common, no? 4 is common or not? Yes, 4 is common, and b also common portion is there, that also will take it. Clear? So that means minus 4 is the common. Okay, and another thing, y is y here y and there x, so common portion is not there, so that's why we won't take common. Clear or not? That means the remaining portion what will come here? The remaining portion minus already taken, 4 2 is 8, that means 2 will come here. B already taken. Clear? Y left, so write it here y. Clear? That means 2y is coming. Okay, see, plus sign is there now. We have taken what? Minus sign, that means another minus will come or not? I told you, because plus means 2 minus, we have taken here 1 minus, that means another minus will come. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, now see what? Here 4bx, 4b already taken, so x is coming. Okay, the remaining x is coming. Okay, but see, try to understand that in bracket same thing is coming. No, same thing is not coming. Means possibility, I told you that time, possibility is there, but that one won't be surely we won't say that one, that is we can take it. But because possibility is there, but here is coming what? The wrong thing is coming, means the common portion is not coming in the bracket, so that's why. Clear? In bracket here x minus y is coming, here 2y minus x is coming, so that's why we won't take that one. Clear or not? We won't take that one. Clear? Clear or not? So that's why we'll take what? Either first term and third term, Okay, either first term and third term, otherwise first term and fourth term, because already checked first and second already checked. We are getting here what? Here not possible, that one not possible, here not possible, that one. Okay, I am cancelling this one, I am doing cancellation. So that means we can take it first and third. Okay, we can take it, otherwise first and fourth, we'll check it. So see, if we take first and third, what will come? Any common portion is there? Any common portion is there? Here 3 8 no common, a b no common, x y no common. Okay, so here no common, but second and fourth, see, second and fourth common is there, because 4 and 6 common portion is there. That means we won't take that one, we not possible, that one. Okay, means first and third also not possible. That means we will take which one? The last option. Last option means first and fourth, first and fourth. That means we should arrange it at first. What? 3ax plus 4bx, okay, minus 6ay minus 8by. Up to this one clear? Clear or not? Clear? We are arranging first and fourth term together and second and third term together, because first and second also not possible and first and third also not possible, so that's why. Okay, we should check it. Clear? Now we'll take common from first two terms. See, any common portion is there or not? 3 4 no common, a b no common, but x common portion is there. Here also x, and second term also x also is there, that's why we'll take common x. Okay, so after common we are getting what? 3a from first term plus, and from second term 4b. Clear or not? Clear? Now from last two terms, any common portion is there or not? Check it. Yes, minus is there, and here 6 and there 8. Yes, common is there. What is the common? Say 2 common portion is there, 2, because what? 6 divisible by 3 2, and 8 also divisible by 2, so that's why we'll take common 2. And any other coefficient, see here a b no common, but y common portion is there, that's why y also will take it. Clear? So after common we are getting what? After common we are getting 2 already taken, that means 3 will come, 2 3 is 6. Clear? Y taken, that means a left, minus already taken, that means here what sign will come? Plus sign will come, positive sign will come. From 8 2 taken, that means 4 will come, 4 will come. Y also taken, means b left means b will come. Now check it in the bracket, the same thing is coming or not? Yes, same thing is coming, 3a plus 4b, here also 3a plus 4b, that means it is correct. Clear? Clear or not? Concept should be clear. That means here 3a plus 4b common portion is coming, and the remaining portion what? Remaining portion is x minus 2y. This is the answer. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? Okay, so if any problem, any doubt, you should inform me again, I will explain it. Okay, clear? Next problem, read the question. Next problem, question number 5, read the question and try to do. Question number 5 is telling what? Question number 5 is telling 4x square 4x square minus 10xy minus 10xy minus 6xz plus 15yz. This is the question. This is 15. 4x square minus 10xy minus 6xz plus 15yz. Do it. Try to do, everyone. You should try it, okay? And question should be checked, otherwise that if any mistake is there, no, in the question, given question, so that problem will arise. Problem will arise means your answer will be what? Wrong answer will come. So that's why. Okay, 4x square minus 10xz, not 10xy minus 6xz plus 15yz. Okay, this is the question. Okay, see what to do. This is what 10, no? Yes, 10. This is 10. So see, any common portion is there or not? Check it. First two terms, common portion is there or not? Yes, common portion is there, because here 4, here 10, common is there, common 2, x also common, here x square, there x, common x is there, so we can take it. Okay, and from third and fourth term also we can take it. Okay, so now take from first two terms and last two terms, means possibility is there. Okay, so that means we'll take what? 2 common and x common. Clear or not? Clear? Because 4 divisible by 2 and here x square is there and there x is there, so that's why we are taking common 2x. Okay, so after common what will get? Here 2, because 2 is a 4 and x square is there, we have taken here x only one time, that means another x will come. Clear or not? Clear? After the minus sign, put minus sign. Next 10 is there, so from 10 2 already taken, that means 5 will come, because 2 5 is 10. Okay, x already taken, so y left, y will come. Clear or not? Clear? Now first two terms finished, now last two terms. Okay, common portion is there or not? 6 is there, 15 is there, means we can take it 3 common. And see here x, there y, no common, but z is there, z here also z is there also z is there, so that means we can take it common. Okay, so we'll take what common? Minus 3. Why minus? Because here minus 6 was there, no, so that's why minus 3 will take common. Okay, and after that z also will be the common. Clear? So after common we are getting what? Here 2, because 3 to the 6, minus already taken, from 6 3 taken, that means 2 will come, and x left, x will come. Clear or not? Clear or not? Clear? From positive sign means plus sign, minus taken, that means here another minus will come, because plus means what? 2 minus, no, one time taken means another minus will come, so that's why here minus. And from 15 3 taken means 5 will come, 3 5 is 15, and y left, y will come, and z already taken, so that means 2x minus 5y. Clear? So 2x minus 5 here also is coming and here also coming in bracket, that means answer is correct. Clear or not? Means concept clear? Okay, so I am writing here 2x minus 5y. Okay, so after that what? Remaining portion what? From first term 2x and last term 3z. So this is the answer, 2x minus 5y into 2x minus 3z. Clear? So you should, I hope this one understood. And one important thing that I am telling, see here in question number 5, from first two terms we are getting common, and question number 4 also, first and fourth, means first and second also not possible, first and third also not possible. Okay, so we are taking what? First and fourth. So that means what? That means always we should check it, because that otherwise that always that first two terms common will come, not like that. Okay, possibility is there, but that one won't be sure. Clear? That one is not correct. Clear or not? Concept clear? So you should check it a little bit. So from where we will take the common, and that common should be that in same, because from first two terms and last two terms we are getting, from fourth terms we are getting two terms after reducing. So from the second, from the last two terms we should, that common portion will be there, same common portion, otherwise that answer will be wrong. Clear? Clear or not everyone? Clear? I hope you understood all problems, and from here if any mistake, any problem, any doubt, you should inform me, I will explain it again. Okay, clear or not? Clear? And another thing that you should practice it properly, if as much as possible you should practice it 2 times 3 times. Clear? And submit to me, and I will check the work. And few students are doing the work, I know that they are sending also, but other students they are not sending, that is also very bad. For them I am telling again, please submit your work and try to understand. Okay, you are getting videos, other subjects also you are getting, so you should do the work properly, and if any problem you should inform the teachers. Clear? So this homework you should do it. What homework? Exercise 17b 1 to up to 5 you should do it. This is your homework, 1 to up to 5. And another problems are there, so many problems are there, that one also you should practice it, you should try it, if any problem you should inform. Okay, so 1 to 5 and another 5 to 10 the next 6 to 10 that one you will do, you will try it, okay? After that you will inform me. Clear? But homework should be finished. Clear or not? Clear? So that's all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.